I'm Cliff Ross. I'm an earthologist. An earthologist is someone who loves and studies the earth. I want to share with you some of what I've learned. Did you know that the earth has a birthday? It does. The earth is 4,650,000,000 years old. People celebrate its birthday at different times and in different ways. Some people celebrate the Earth's birthday every day. Others like to celebrate the Earth's birthday once a month on the full moon. There are some who like to celebrate for the entire month of May, and finally some like to celebrate their Earth's birthday on just one day each year, May Day, the first day of May. One thing all birthdays have in common is the giving of a gift. A gift is something you give to someone you care about. Giving a gift is an act of care. So what does the earth need? What would the earth like? How can we show the earth that we care? Well, as an earthologist, I can tell you that the most precious substance on earth is the air we breathe. Now, why is air so important to the earth? To help answer this question, I want you to close your mouth and hold your breath. Hold it. Hold it. Keep holding it. Okay, it turns out that we all need air to breathe. Let's look a little more closely at the air. Since air is clear, it's hard to see that it's actually not one thing, but a mixture of three things. It's mostly nitrogen mixed with some oxygen and a smidgen of carbon dioxide. It's actually the oxygen in the air that gives life its spark. To put it simply, if there were no oxygen in the air, not a single animal would be alive. What kind of world would it be? With no dogs or goats and no baby otters? So where does oxygen come from? We know that on the very first Earth's birthday, there was no oxygen in the air. The air for the Earth's first billion years was filled with only gases that spewed out of erupting volcanoes. Steam, nitrogen, and carbon gases. As the earth cooled, oceans eventually formed. Then, around 3,600,000,000 years ago, a single-celled speck appeared, floating on the surface of the ocean. This little speck was no ordinary speck, for it could do something no other speck had ever done before. It could take light from the sun and breathe out bubbles of oxygen. The little green specks spread and multiplied. After filling the oceans, they soon developed roots to suck water out of the dirt and grew stems and leaves to reach higher and take in more sunlight. After 3 billion years, the air filled with enough oxygen to give breath to the world's first animals. More green meant more oxygen, and more oxygen meant more animals. Soon, the earth was filled with animals of all shapes and sizes, from the tiniest ant to the most gigantic dinosaur. So let me be perfectly clear why earthologists say that green is the most valuable color, not silver or even gold. Without green, there would be no oxygen, and without oxygen, there would be no life. When autumn comes, you may notice that the green that we love turns to yellow, then orange, and finally to brown. Without their green leaves, most trees and plants make very little oxygen. So what can we give the earth as a gift that will help it make oxygen? As an earthologist, I can tell you that one of the very best places on the earth for making oxygen is the rainforest. Rainforests are home to more animals than any other place on the planet. The most incredible birds, cats, frogs, and monkeys all make their home in the rainforest. However, many trees in the rainforest are being cut down to be used to make paper, furniture, and houses. Some rainforests are being burned down and replaced with fields to grow crops or with feedlots for cows. But if all the rainforest is destroyed, all the green and the oxygen it makes for us will be gone. Protecting the rainforest from being destroyed gives the gift of oxygen to the earth. Can you and children all over the world make sure that the rainforest and all of its animals are protected forever? Yes, you can protect the rainforest. How? By performing earth alchemy. Earth alchemy is the transformation of the metals and coins into the precious oxygen we all need. To do earth alchemy, you need only one simple tool that everyone has. Before I tell you what it is, I want you to imagine the saddest thing in the world. It is a single sock. Just imagine how it feels. It's lost its very best friend, its soulmate, and if that isn't bad enough, it has no job. It has nothing to do. But you can turn a sad sock into a happy sock by making it a safe place to keep coins that you will turn into a big gift to the earth. It's easy to donate your coins and help the rainforest. Deposit them in a Coinstar machine at a local store, and you'll receive a printout of just how many cents you've collected. Coinstar then sends those cents to the Earth's Birthday's Rainforest Bank. Then our partners in South America purchase and protect square yards of rainforest that will keep making lots of oxygen. Now let me show you how each cent you collect and give to the rainforest adds up to a really, really big gift to the earth. 1 cent will help purchase and protect 1 square yard of rainforest. 100 cents, or $1, protects 100 square yards of rainforest. 1,000 cents, which is $10, protects 1,000 square yards of rainforest. 5,000 cents, or $50, protects 5,000 square yards of rainforest. 5,000 square yards is 1 acre. That's the size of a football field. To understand how small acts of care can add up to a big gift to the earth, I want to do one more bit of green math. Imagine 1 million students, each collecting 1,000 cents. That would result in 1 billion square yards of rainforest, which is the same as 200,000 acres. Just imagine that. Together, we, you and me, can protect 312 square miles of rainforest. What an incredible gift to the earth that would be. By giving a big gift to the earth, you are on your way to becoming earthologists too. So join me in taking the Earthologist Pledge. No job is too big, no action too small, for the care of the earth is the task of us all.